What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday. We finally took a first ride on our Road Glide, man. The one with the whole Bill 131 on that joint. That thing is a freaking beast from the Middle East, man. You guys haven't caught that video, man, make sure you click the link below and go check out that video right after this video, man. Meanwhile, today is the day that we're going to be going to check out our other Widebody Hellcat. Now, you guys know we got a Widebody Hellcat, our Daytona, which is number 499 of 501. Now, that is our black one with the rose gold wheels on it. That was like my personal one right now. Our other Hellcat we got came narrow body. You guys know I love the wide body kits, man. So I got my guys over at visres.com to shoot us a wide body kit for it. My guy Juan over here at Audio Boss is putting it on and installing it and everything, along with the body wrap and all the other intricate parts that we got going on, man. So can't wait to check that out, man. Meanwhile, I am giving this wide body Hellcat away that you guys are going to see with me in a second, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win that thing, man, all you guys got to do is show a little bit of support. Go ahead and head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy you an Everything Regular wallet. The wallet is only $35, man. So just think about it. You can win a Hellcat and some other prizes, because I got a whole lot of other prizes for the price of only like $35. All you got to do is support. Go copy your wallet right now while you can. We got 4 different wallets. One of them is already sold out and the others is soon to follow, man. So if you guys want the Hellcat, head on over there right now, man. Meanwhile, we do have first place, which is our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place as well with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat that we about to see today, paired together as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a wide body Hellcat and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, you guys know I gotta shoot you something great. I got a garage full of Road Glides in the garage, man. So third place winner will receive their very own Everything Regular special Road Glide with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. I can't wait. You guys haven't entered in for a chance to win. Now's your time to shine. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you an Everything Regular wallet, and you can have the option to win either one of these prizes, man, but you can't do so without being entered in, and you have to show your support, man, by doing so. So with that being said, go do so right now. Be on our way up to Audio Boss in the Lamb right now. I ain't gonna even hold you. The Lambo is fun, but my Hellcat is definitely my favorite car, man. So I can't wait to get up here and see how much longer this thing is gonna be needed to be done, because I'm ready to get back in this thing and get sliding before it gets to one of you guys, man. So with that being said, let's head up here to Juan and check him out and see what's good. Just like that, man, we done made it up to Audio Boss. He got that Hellcat 300 out there, man, so I know he in here getting cracking. Oh, the signs say closed. Let's see. Let's see what they got rocking up in here. Woo! What's up, what's up? She's like, I'm never happy to see the camera. Trust me, I understand. That's all good. Oh, we got some workers up in here today. You new or what, man? You new?
I don't work here, but what's
Oh, you don't work here? Oh, okay. My bad. What's up, man? Damn. So this how we feeling. I got to get the whole come through again because I didn't miss the whole thing, man. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see what's going on with the whole ooh and ah. That blue on there just look so freaking cool. They got the bumper on here, the side skirts. Ooh, with the wraps and all that. Got the Big Daddy in the back there. I ain't gonna hold you. This blue is looking nice. It is looking nice, guys. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that thing look cold. That thing look cold, man. That thing look cold. They got the bumper and stuff on here. Of course, we seen this this part last week. It looked like they started with the back wrapping first, but got the other side done. Got it looking like something in here. I'm digging out. I probably need to take this back to Chewy so he can patch that freaking slow leak up, because that should have been done. But apparently it's not. So I got to take it back to Chewy's, but we got the freaking rockers on there and everything. Wide body in the back on the bumper. Just got to get that flare on there. But so far, does look pretty good. Does look pretty good. So this side we still need some work to do. However, the other side looks really great. We got all our wrapping stuff right here. So they've been up here getting busy. I ain't gonna even hold you. They've been up here getting busy. This thing is gonna look dope. Of course, all this is gonna be like flush and clean and all that. They're still wrapping the car, so it's gonna look ugly before it looks great. But you guys see what it is, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Widebody Hellcat on the way, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win this thing, all you guys got to do is head on over to Everything Regular ENTREE.com right now. We'll get you that everything regular wallet, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win. Juan, what's up, man? Man, you got me looking real clean and mean over here, man. You got me matching your haircut real fresh. Yeah, he got the fresh cut today, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. So tell me what we got going on here, because it's just so much to take in right now, man.
The Widebody's already done.
Yes, sir.
Right now we got we've been wrapping it and cleaning it up and everything.
Right. It's looking good right now. I ain't gonna even hold you. That color just looks so freaking sick, dude.
Now it's just dirty, so.
Nah, the color looks sick though. I can already see the vision with these brushed and like chrome wheels. It's gonna look like, oh my god. Yeah, you have to cut a lot.
Yeah,
damn.
Up on the top.
Oh damn. Hey man, we know you gonna get it right though. I ain't gonna even hold you. We know you gonna get it right, man.
Trying to make it look good.
Trying to make it look good. It's looking great already. I ain't gonna even hold you. Y'all know y'all gotta come to Audio Boss, man. If y'all ever in Houston need some wide body stuff, man, y'all seen all the cars and stuff in here last week, man. So it looked like you've been getting a lot of work done, man. You see, I ain't been trying to bother you.
Yeah.
I ain't been trying to bother you, but they been bothering me like, all right, man, show with the Hellcat. But nah, it's dope though.
See halfway there?
Halfway there, man. It's looking like what, next week or something?
Hopefully that's the goal. I mean, at least the Widebody's ready now.
Right. All the hard stuff is done.
Hard stuff is done.
It's just wrapping it and getting it A1 now. Just wrapping it and getting it A1. I gotta call a detailer so he can clean up this engine bay for us and all that. And all the oohs and ahs, man. I'm digging it. Man. So I know this probably ain't one of the hardest ones you did before. Like, as in, not hard as in like, task, but hard as in wet, like super nice.
Yeah.
What is one of the nice colors you did on the wide body you think is the best one?
My favorite one that I did on the Widebody was that dark gray one.
The dark gray, like the Nardo look? Or is
like
it darker than that?
It was dark. It was like dark gray.
Oh, wow.
On the Widebody. That one looked good.
Yeah.
It looked mean.
Oh, dang. So, yeah, I'm sure he had, like, black wheels and all that stuff, huh?
All gloss black.
Yeah.
And everything.
Ooh. Hey, so ain't we getting a huge decal on the side, huh? I forgot all about that. It's so much.
Decal would be all the way up here.
Oh, yeah.
Coming somewhere.
Yeah, see, I forgot. Literally, we was getting a decal. I'm like, this blue look crazy. Just imagining with the decal, y'all, it's going to look so freaking sick. Like, this wrap on here is just, like, so cold. It's like paint. Telling y'all want to wrap, y'all don't need the wide body. Y'all can just come get the wrap, man. Y'all know what to come to, man. You got every color in here you want, man. Every color in here you want. So I see you got something outside. Was that one of the ones you was working on last week?
It might have been. Can't remember, but so right now we just waiting on parts and mostly all of them.
Oh, dang. Okay.
Yeah, we still waiting on his 40 autos to come in so we can start on it.
Oh, damn. Yeah, I remember he had dropped his off when I dropped mine off. Now look at us, man. I'm really about to be out of here before you now, gang. He switched his all up, man, and we switched ours all up. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the blue in the comments below, man. Bro, you telling me, like, when I hit the door, I'm like, oh, is that mine? Like, it couldn't be. I'm just like, that was like the perfect blue right there. I still got to go get you some fucking lug nuts and shit. The other wheel, they was supposed to, like, fix the slow leak over there, but apparently they didn't fix the slow leak. Yeah. Yes. Yeah, man. So, yeah, no, hey, man, you surprised me. I'm telling you, you got more than what I thought you had done on it. This thing is looking cold, man. I can't wait to see the rest of the blue on this thing, because it just, like, it's shining up so much.
The rear door's already, painted.
Oh, damn, I didn't even notice that. Oh, my goodness. Okay, bet. Oh, yeah, that's fresh. Oh, yeah, y'all see how we coming, gang. Y'all remember they was white at first, man. You got them things looking real good with the whole ooh and ah special. Like, the white is cool, not really. But this blue just shows you, man, if you guys got like a white car or anything, man, you got to go throw some color on that, because white is not going to do it. Just not going to cut it. I'm digging it, though, man. Y'all see what it is. Corleone Forges on them things, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, you guys know what to do. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. You never know, man. This wide body Hellcat could be yours, man. Well, y'all see it here first, man. The blue side on one side is done. This is what it looked like before, man. If you guys want that wide body kit, you guys know you guys can head on over to visres.com. Make sure they send you all your parts, and you guys can come here and get it installed. You guys see this was a whole complete narrow body at first. We got the whole wide body on there now. Still a few more pieces to put on. But all in all, you guys see the other side and how it came together, man. So I'm really happy about it. I'm digging it. I really can't wait till it's 100%. But you guys see it here first, man. That blue is popping. It's going to be matching our 2020 Road Glide Special with all the oohs and ahs. So y'all know we at the right spot. It's nothing but Chargers and everything out here. They got that Tiffany blue one, the one that they was working on last week. That one looks pretty cool. They got the other wide body Hellcat. They was doing donuts. Actually, it's a scat. That's pretty dope. He's got the it's a scat. I might need that on mine. But saying it's a Hellcat. Meanwhile, we got the other 392 Big Daddy wide body thing right here. Both of them back to back, man. So let me know what y'all think. The wide body charger is almost done, man, so I can't wait. We just pulled up on our guy Juan at Audio Boss, man. Checked it out. That blue is freaking popping. We about to get up here to see what else we can get done today. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road. Juan, I appreciate it, man.
Appreciate you, man.
Let me know whenever you can. I appreciate it. Now that we got that thing checked out, man, I know that charger is gonna be so freaking hard. That blue on there is just killer, man. I can't wait to get that thing out here and really slide. He said about a week or so, well, towards the end of this week, it should be pretty much done. So I'm thinking I'm gonna just give them to the top of like next week, like Monday, Tuesday, and we should be coming back picking that thing up, man. So I can't wait. Like I said, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out here riding on fumes and stuff right now. Literally 5 miles to eat and a Lamborghini Urus. Who does that? But the thing about this car is it'll be on E and it'll be telling you, and the dash is so like low, or the steering wheel literally blocks the dash, so you can't really see how much gas you got. But all in all, I'm ready to get back in that Hellcat. I can't wait. That wide body thing is on the way, man. You guys know what time it is.